Today I've got yet another recipe which is Hyderabadi's favorite recipe, chicken halim, and this has been taken from the Charminar area of Hyderabad region, and this is available during Ramadan, which is a gourmet food, and this is with lot of energy. This gives lot of energy in the body. If somebody eats it in the early morning, this will give the energy throughout the body, and the person who had this recipe will not have any energy issues. So sit tight. Before we start this video, please like, and in the comment say Jai Sri Ram, Radhe Radhe, or Jai Hanuman, and Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. And this is chicken halim, and more than Muslims, the Indian community, the other community of India really relish this recipe. And I'm being a Hindu, I like this recipe during this season. So I have made this in my house. So if you see this recipe in detail, you can also make this wonderful recipe. So let's see how we do this recipe. I did not give any recipe content at the end of the video. In every video, 100 gram of dal, you can see in the video, this is how I have given in detail. 25 gram of urad dal, that is without black part. 10 gram chana dal, and I'll give moong dal 25 grams, and masoor dal also 25 grams. I'm weighing it in a digital scale. And basmati rice is the trick of this recipe, which is again 25 grams. The structure what you see in this halim will come only through basmati rice. People will not say you this recipe at all in any of the videos whatsoever in the YouTube channel till date. I'm being a chef, so I'm telling you this small tip. Without this recipe will not come out properly. People don't know maybe, and today I am breaking this recipe in YouTube channel. Mix all the lentils with the dal and soak it for 1 hour. We'll wash this lentil with water till it runs clear. We have to rub it really nice. And you have to rub it with the hand, and we'll do the, you can see this is not clear water, and till the time it runs clear we will wash it like this. I'm showing you on in putting through water. I'll throw the water again, put the water. This is second wash, and we will do third wash also. But after seeing that washing, this is still looking translucent. So what I did is I have taken the whole bowl and taken under the tap and have washed this in the tap till it runs clear. But you have to ensure that whenever you are putting in tap water, the dalia being light weighted, it may run through in the drain. So you have to ensure that it doesn't wash away in the drain. So after that, washing everything. See, this is the third wash, but it's still translucent. Now I've thrown the water. Then I will soak in water for 1 hour. Once 1 hour is completed, I will put this lentil dalia mix in the cooker. The capacity of the cooker is 2 liter. Why I'm telling you, if I'm telling you 4 whistle, it requires this because this air also comes very little, so 4 whistle is a must for the small cookers. And in a big cooker you can always have 1 or 2 whistle is enough for this particular recipe. Maybe if you are taking 5 kilo rice cooker or Hawkins cooker, 2 whistle will be enough. And because this is small cooker, air will come very little and it will make the sound very fast. So the total cooking procedure will be doing in a slow fire and cook it for 15 minutes and 4 to 6 whistles. I'm putting cloves of garlic, almond and 1 tablespoon of ghee. You can see it is full, and other than that I'll be putting whole garam masala, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon and cumin seeds. Sajira will be using for the tempering in the ghee in the final stage, so that also we have in hand. This is the basic ingredients before boiling in the cooker with the lentils, and we will be closing the lid and boil it. After boiling, you can see the water was little less, but again this has been cooked properly, so you can always put little extra water. So how beautiful the rice it has become. So after this we'll be blending it in a mixer grinder. Please ensure that you put adequate liquid in the mixer grinder so that your plastic doesn't melt at the base of the plastic grinder. Put little extra, always be better. Like little extra will make little loose, extra loose, and it will make better mixing or grinding. So I'll do this procedure with all the dalia, dal or broken wheat with the lentil mix till we finish grinding. So in the next part we'll do the next step of the procedure. The next step of the procedure will be greens, green chili, mint, then you'll have coriander, all have to be sauteed in ghee, and that recipe is clubbed with chicken stock recipe, how we cook the chicken. So that is in the second stage of cooking. So the grinding work of this dalia lentil mix is finished. We will do all the things and we should not store it just like that. After this we have to start the cooking. So first part is completed. Wait for the second part. It's coming very soon. Bye bye for now.